Alright then, we are done with the loops and lists. So now it's time for dictionaries. The idea of dictionaries is to access the value using a key instead of index. So in this example, if we animate to make a dictionary of object called movie, it would be something like this. It's the curly brackets. If you, the movies has title, of course. Oh, come on. Which is avatar. It's string, and here it has, you guessed it, rating. I need to make it string. Rating, which is 7. 5 I give it. Okay, I will change it here 9 so people don't get angry. Is watched. By the way, there is 2 types of writing here. You could use this one, which is called camel, or the snake, something like this. That's why I'm messing up. I'm using the Swedish keyboard. Anyway, is watched. True. Come on. So if I want to print movie now, give me the whole thing. And in order to access one of them, movie title. Python. Come on. There's no title. It's case sensitive, of course, so I need to write it the same as I did. Let's take it a notch up. I have here a list of dictionaries. Isn't that nice? So if I want to print though, of course you know that you could stop the video and try to. So for movie, in movies, I want the title, print movie, and it's a dictionary, so I could access it by its key title. So print, and sure enough I will get all the titles. As you could see here, I brought this list from IMDb, the first 4 and the last one in the list, because in real life we are going to get data from the URL. We could use this URL, by the way, and like scrap all the data, as they said, or from our database, and we could play around with this one as well. So if I'm in the mood to watch for movie for, let's say, the director here, Christopher Nolan. He's crazy. A tab and the Dark Knight. I know you need use cases why use dictionary and the other things, but in general I'm planning to have a project so we could do all of us together in order to wrap up everything, could understand why we need to learn this stuff and what's the benefit of them. Alright then, we are done for now. Bye bye.